What's good, people? If you've tuned into this video, it's because you want to discover how you can create YouTube shops without editing at all. So at the end of this video, you're going to discover exactly how you can use this AI tool, video.ai, to change your long form videos into short form videos without having to do any form of editing. So let's get into it. So what is video.ai? It's basically an AI tool that helps you edit videos, long form videos into short form videos. You can use it for your podcast, for your educational videos, for your talking head videos. Make as many short form pieces of content as you want so that you can repurpose it on many platforms. So now I'm going to show you exactly how you can use this. So first off, you have to create an account. So when you first come to their site, video.ai, just here, you're going to see everything here from use cases, features, resources, pricing, sign up is free. So like I said, make short form clips from long form videos. Get social ready clips, cuts and captions by AI, save 90% time and effort. Basically, they want to help you be more productive by saving time. So this is loved by 2 million plus podcasters, creators, and marketers. Also, this is apparently the world's #1 AI video editor. I think they're just self-promoting themselves because there are other alternatives there that they are good too, but I think I'm a big fan of them. So what else? Oh yeah, they are showing what you can do. You can have templates for every social media site. Use different templates. Saves time with framing and scene change detection. You go global with automatic subtitles. Yeah, so basically, you have subtitles to keep your audience engaged. You can make your videos on brand. So how exactly do you like your subtitles, your logos? So you can basically add that to your videos too. You can get cinematic B-roll footage. So you can actually add B-roll footage from stock footage. Yeah, from royalty-free stock footage. So you don't have to worry about copyright strikes. You can also create more content. So basically what this does is their AI content assistant, which helps you create like a Twitter, if you want to create like a Twitter or X thread from one post, so everything you said, it can turn into like a Twitter post, which you can now use to turn into a carousel. So then you can also schedule posts across all around your social accounts with one click. You can also post and schedule. I hate that word. It has like 20 different pronunciations. You can schedule it across like all your social platforms. So it's a great tool. Yeah, generate Insta social media descriptions with captions. So it's a great tool that helps you save time and effort. We use it in our agency a lot, and we think it can also help you grow your brand. So without further ado, I'm going to show you how to use it now. Yeah. We know people trust you guys. Yeah, you can use subtitles like Alex Omozi, Grant Cardone, Gary V. So you can basically create like your favorite creators if you want to, or create your own brand so you can create your own lane so that you can stand out whatever you want to do. I think video will be really helpful if you add it to your system, content workflow system. So let's get into it. So now we're going to start. So once you sign up, create an account, use Google, then you come here and new project. Let's click that. And also I'm using a free version. The free version basically allows you to have 75 minutes free. So, but if you want to create more content, if you want more minutes, you have to like subscribe for their plan. I think it starts from like $20-$30 a month. I think at most like $40 a month for the basic plan. So you can go up from there. But basically it starts at for free, and you have 75 minutes to play with for free. So try it out. So now they say, okay, so you can drop a file here, or you can browse a file, or you can just put in a YouTube link and it will do the work for you, which is actually crazy. But what I recommend is dropping the file here. This didn't work so much very well for me in the past. I don't know if it's better now, but I think just drop the file here. So I'm just going to do this. Yeah, bring it over here. Yeah. Charlie Munger changed my life. 8 lessons. This is an Alex Omozi video. Now we're going to generate clips. So we're processing your video and generating clips. So it does take some time. I know they said 5 minutes on their promo page or the homepage for the website, but basically I think if it's a longer video, it usually takes more than 5 minutes. So yeah, I'm probably going to speed this up in the edit so we can get straight to the point.
One eternity later.
Okay, that took a while, but we are back. It's done uploading and it generated 8 clips. So let's check it out. So the first clip is the power of living within your means. So let me just.
You wouldn't even need your savings because you would always spend less than you earn. So you would never lack for money. It's rule number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Because like you can't even do investing where rule number 1 is don't lose money. Rule number 2 is don't forget rule number 1. Well, you couldn't do that unless you spent less than you earned. And so like rule 0 is spend less than you earn. And what's crazy.
So pretty good video. Yeah. So they also, what I also like is they also show the score beside it, 85, 82. So basically how well it might perform when you post it. So they've done 8 videos. Charlie Munger on living within your means. Charlie Warren, that's a mistake. Supposed to be Charlie Munger on Too Hard for Me. The Perfect Business. This should be a good one. Learning from the mistakes of others. That should also be good. The Power of Brand. Pretty generic. So, but basically, yeah, it's pretty good. You can still tweak this. This is why use AI with human so that you can get the best results. You can still tweak this to be better. So, but it's pretty good. So now you can actually share, change the description and the transcript, change the template, rename it, delete it, or edit. So now we're going to edit. So low, 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 low. Okay, so in the edit section now, you can change the template. So basically what that means is I can make it look like this, make it look like this. Kind of like, I kind of always like this one with the blue underneath. So then with Curve Magic, you can actually, what Curve Magic does is, when this, if you're doing like a podcast type video, when the speaker changes, it can switch, identifies what speaker, which person is speaking, and switch the camera to that person's angle. That's what Curve Magic does. So it's good for, really good for podcasts. I don't really need it for this because it's really Alex Amosi speaking. Then here you can also edit the caption. So if there are mistakes within the caption, you can come here and make the edit yourself. These are the 3 basic things you really, if you're going to use this, that you will need a lot. Apart from that, change elements. You know, if you want to add a progress bar, you know, you want to add a logo. So this is where you can bring your brand kits. You can upload your logo, upload your social logos. You can upload an outro. So like it can be a video, or an image that will be at the end of every short form content you post. Maybe a call to action to check something out, which can be helpful if you are trying to sell a service or a freebie or product. So media. So now you can also insert B-rolls. This is like you made the progress. Let's say you're talking about driving a car, then you can put a picture of someone driving a car. Very simple. So the text, you can add new text. I think that simplifies it. Then for the background, you can also change. This is also for your brand, the color you like to use. So that's basically it. Then this is description. So now you can generate a description for each of these platforms. So it's actually a pro version, so I can't use it. So once you pay, you unlock this version. So right now, I'm going to use this template, and let me see. What template? All right, let's use this one. I like this one. I feel it's not doing too much. So
You wouldn't even need your savings.
so yeah, I like this one. So now, after you do that, you can also change your portrait. So now, right now it's 9:16, which is like, you know, shorts, reels, TikTok. But you can also change it to landscape for YouTube, Spotify. Portrait split is when, let's say you're, it's like a reaction video, or it's a presentation. So your presentation can be on top, then your image can be underneath. Yeah, I'm saying. Then you can also make it square for LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram. So that's basically what it does. Saving, you can't save drafts, so after some time your videos will disappear on the free version. But you upgrade, you can save drafts, but you can't download. Not at 1080 though. You can only download at 720. Yeah. You want to do 1080, you need the upgraded package. So if you want those other extra features, you can do that. But the free package is still very solid. You can use for just starting out, it's perfect. So confirm. So now it's gonna start downloading. I'm just gonna go back. So you're going to show you a notification to show that your download has started. So let me see. So there it is. The download is in progress. You can safely leave the page. You will find it in your downloads. So you just go back. Your downloads are over here. So if you see now, it's downloading. The power of living within your means. So that's how to use video.ai. I always recommend using AI with human intelligence, so that humans can actually curate and actually purify what the AI is doing, because at the end of the day, it's still artificial intelligence. And maybe one day it will get so good that everything is perfect. But right now, it still needs that human touch, that human feeling. What's the word? I don't know the word. But basically, it still needs a human touch to it to make it better. So that's why, even though this is still useful, I still recommend hiring someone to do your videos for you, because they can fully understand your brand. They can do edits that you can do. No motion graphics, obviously. No motion graphics. No crazy effects. No, so all the things that you may want to do to create a specific branding style for your own type of videos. Well, this is very good for starting out. If you actually want to build a brand that gets recognized, a brand that you can scale and everyone can associate you with one thing or the other, whether it's being cool, whether it's being professional, whether it's your exceptional service, then I'd recommend hiring people. So that's all I have to say. But this is great if you're starting out and if you don't really care about all that. But if you do care about building a brand, building this empire online, I do recommend hiring someone to do that. So that's what I'm going to say for this video. If you actually want to build and monetize your brand in 60 days or less, we have a link in the description. Just click it. My team and I were willing to help you out. We help you build and monetize your channel, or we work for free. Because we are so sure that we are going to deliver the results for you. So if you're interested in that, let us know, so you can save time and also scale your productivity. Peace.